Hi, short video to show you the condition of this Pioneer CDJ-1000 Mark III turntable. So, it comes in full working order, comes with a UK mains power lead, a 64 meg SD card which I will leave in there, does not include the speaker or the audio cable. On the rear, on and off button, insert CD in the front, so it's in full working order. Press eject, CD comes out. It's in good condition. It does have around here, like as you can see, the chrome. It's only on plastic. It's slightly coming off. On the rear, I'll turn this off, is the audio left and right, which I was using just now, cable not included, and digital out, and the on and off button. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thank you.